Let us have a look at this fourth question from the chapter areas related to circle, and this is there in first exercise. The question goes like this: the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. That means radius is 40 centimeter. That is known. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 kilometer per hour? All right. The radius is known. First of all, the radius of the wheel. The radius of the wheel is going to be 80 divided by 2. That is 2 ones are 2 40s are. So the radius is going to be 40 centimeter. All right. Now they're asking how many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 kilometer per hour. First of all, how much distance it travels? Distance traveled, let us find out. Distance traveled by the car. Distance is equal to, what is the formula? That is speed into time, right? Speed into time. What is the speed? That is 66 kilometer per hour into time is 10 minutes. 10 minutes means 10 divided by 60 hours, no? All right. See, try to understand. So this speed is there in kilometer per hour, right? And into, I cannot do 10 minutes here. Okay, 10 minutes, this becomes wrong. All right, so this has to be converted into hour. 10 minutes means 10 divided by 60 hours. So here this r and r get cancelled. Here 0 0 get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 11s are. So the answer is going to be 11 kilometers. So how much the car covers? It covers a distance of, distance traveled is 11 kilometer. All right. And this wheel radius is given in centimeter. So that's why we have to convert this distance traveled into centimeter only. All right. So 11 kilometer means how many centimeter it will be? You know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So 11 kilometer means 11 into 1000. So 11 into 1000 is 11. Then 0 0 0 these many meters. Then 1 meter is 100 centimeter. That's why 11000 into centimeter means 100. So it becomes 11000 and another two zeros, these many centimeters. All right. To cover these many this much centimeter of distance, this wheel, whatever this wheel is there with the radius 40 centimeter, how many revolutions it has to make? How many times it has to rotate? Now look at this. If you consider a wheel like this, all right. So this is the wheel, and here is the radius with a 40 centimeter. If it rotates once, if it makes one revolution, one complete revolution, how much distance it will be covering? It will be covering a distance of 2 pi r, right? One revolution, one complete revolution, 2 pi r. Then for this much distance, how much it has to cover? That is the main question here. All right. How you can approach? You can approach it like, for 2 pi r, for 2 pi r distance, for 2 pi r distance, how many revolutions? One revolution. Correct. Now you know this crisscross method, no? For 2 pi r distance, how many revolution? One revolution. Therefore, for how much distance? 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 5 zeros. Look at this, 1 1 then 5 zeros. So these many centimeter of distance, how many revolutions it has to do? All right. So what you are going to do here? 1 1 then 0 0 0 0 0 into 1, that is one revolution, divided by 2 pi r. All right. So if you find out this answer, then you are going to get the number of revolutions. Let us substitute the values: 1 1 0 0 0 0 0, then divided by 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r. R is 40, right? So r is 40 centimeter, that is also known. 1010, it get cancelled. Then we are going to have this as 110000 into 7 because it has to go above, no? So it will go above. All right, into 7, then divided by 2 into 22 is 44. All right. Then we are going to have this as so 11 ones are, then 0 0 0 0, then 11 fours are. All right. So it becomes 10,000 into 7 is 70,000. 7 0 0 0 0, then divided by 4. All right. So it becomes 4 ones are, 4 ones are, then 3 is the carry, 4 sevens are 28, 2 is the carry, 4 fives are 20, then 2 zeros. All right, 17,500, right? Therefore Therefore, wheel has to, I mean, all the wheel has to cover, wheel has to cover or complete, wheel has to complete how many revolutions? 17,500 revolutions. All right, I hope the concept is quite clear. Look at this. I mean, once again, I'm repeating. For example, any wheel is there. This is the wheel, right? So if it goes one rotation means 2 pi r, two rotations means 4 pi r, three rotations means 6 pi r, like that. For this much distance, for 1 1 then 0 0 0 0 0 centimeter distance, how many revolutions it has to be? That is the main thing, no? I mean, basically, how much distance is there, that has to be divided by the circumference. This one is just written like that in this crisscross method. How much distance it has covered, how much distance it has covered, so that distance covered divided by circumference of the wheel, then you are going to get the number of revolutions. All right, thank you very much. Have a good day and bye bye.